Step number 4, add a header element within the body element and assign a class of header to it. So I think there could be something wrong with this, so I'll just follow exactly what it's saying first of all. So I just say add in a header element, close it off here, header, okay. And what we want to do is we want to assign a class of header to it. So I don't think you'd actually do this, but anyway, you might actually, you may do, because you may have different headers in your document. So it might be the only place you have a header. You could have more headers in your page. So let's go with this. Might work. So this header, as I say here, you could have 10 headers in your document. You could have another 3 or 4, unlikely, but you could have one of them, maybe another one called header 2 and another one called header 3. And if I want to target this particular header, I grab it, so I put my hook into the water and I grab it by targeting header 2, the class name. And similarly, if I wanted to target this particular header, these 3 headers might have the same grandparents, but they might have different fathers. That could be so the grandparent, and then that could be the father of one of them. That could be the father of another one. That could be the father of another one. So they could be all cousins, I suppose. And I'm going a bit off on a tangent there. Anyway, this is just going to allow us to target this specific header if we want to target this class name. And inside the header, create a H1 with CSS Flexbox photo gallery as the text. So that's fairly straightforward. H1, close off H1. And we're going to write down CSS, it's all lowercase, so CSS Flexbox photo gallery. And that should be it. So now check your code. How do we get on this one? Congratulations, your code passes. Submit your code, so we're on to the next one. Step 5.